Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very, very good morning, dear students. Who is Nakwi Mujahid Abbas?
Sir, Misbah Fatima.
Okay, beta. Dear students, a very, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes, very good morning. Please, all of you, write your name in chat box. And please stop sharing the screen. Students, there are some students they are sharing the screen. Please stop presentation. Sayyid Abbas, please, beta, stop your presentation. Stop presenting your screen. Dear student, please wait for 2 minutes. Okay, we will start our today's session within 2 minutes. All of you, please write your name in chat box. Good. Yes, all of you, please write your name. Those who not write, please write the name. So, dear students, how was your day? Are you ready for today's session?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, dear students, you very well know that during offline classes, we have completed lesson number 10 of science. Okay, याद है ना सबको?
Yes.
Yes, what
Yes.
was the name of a lesson? Lesson का नाम क्या था? Lesson number 10
How
का?
animals
How animals
survive?
survive? How
Yes,
animals
very good.
survive? How animals?
Very good, very good. So we completed lesson number 10, how animals survive. So today first we revise some important notes points regarding lesson number 10. Okay, so you get some very good idea regarding lesson number 10. And I also shared the project topics. Okay, याद है ना सबको?
Yes.
सर अब ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन हो गया है तो हम कैसे आपको सबमिट करें?
सबमिट नहीं बेटा, first make a project. Okay, whenever our school will reopen, at that time we have to submit. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay, so let's start our today's session. Today revision of lesson number 10, how animals survive. Okay, so you very well know that there are various animals that are found in our surrounding. Okay, there are various animals that are found in our surrounding. So let's
Yes.
start some important revision. Okay, that are very very useful to you. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen. Please tell me my screen is visible to you, all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, see. our first topic regarding lesson number 10 was types of animal. Okay, याद है ना सबको types of animal?
Yes.
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 Animal with backbone, animal without backbone.
Yes. Okay, types of animal in that first topic. Okay, types of animal. Okay, so there are two types of animals. See, are you able to see it?
Yes.
Yes.
What, what is that? Without backbone and with backbone. See, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, good. So there are two types of the animal that are found in our surrounding. There are animal without backbone, मतलब animal के पास backbone नहीं है. And second group is an animal with backbone. With backbone यानी animal के पास backbone है. Okay? That is our first topic. See, you very well know that animal without backbone are called animal without backbone are called.
Invertebrates. Invertebrates.
Invertebrates.
Yes, good, very good, very good. Yes, very good. So animal without backbone are called invertebrates. Very good. Okay. Animal without backbone are called invertebrate. Very good, dear students. Then animal with backbone are called.
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates.
Yes, very good, very good. Animal with backbone are called vertebrates. Very good. So till here it is clear.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So there are two groups of animal. One is invertebrates and one is vertebrates. Very good. Now see, can you give the example of the invertebrates? Invertebrates के example कौन से हैं होंगे? Example के तौर पर?
Yes, sir. Can I say Masani Sakina?
Yes.
Sir, can I say
Ants, mosquitoes,
cockroach?
Yes. Cockroaches.
cockroach,
Very good. Yes.
Cockroach.
Good.
Insects.
Insects. Good. Yes. So animal without backbone they are called invertebrates, and their examples are insects. Okay. Insects like grasshopper. Okay. Butterfly, cockroach, ant, etc. Okay. They do not have any types of backbone. And you very well know then that this animal have how many legs? 6 legs.
Yes.
They have
Yes.
six. Yes, 6 legs. Matlab
Cockroach.
three pair of a legs. Three pair of a legs. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm. And also has 6 legs. Okay. Yes. Now next is animal with backbone. How many groups are there? Can anyone?
5 groups are there.
5 groups. Very good. 5 groups are there. Very good. 5 groups. Very good. First group is
Fish.
first. Yes. First group is fish. Very good. Then second group is amphibians. See.
Amphibians.
ये हमने पढ़ा था ना.
Yes.
Yes.
Amphibians. Okay. Second group is amphibians. Okay. Then third group is reptiles.
Reptiles.
Yes. Very good.
Reptile.
Third group is reptiles. Very good. Fourth group is birds.
Birds.
Yes. Fourth group is birds. And the last fifth group is
Mammals.
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 yes, very good. So there are 5 groups. Animal that have a backbone, they are divided into 5 groups. Okay. Number 1 is fish. Number 2 is amphibians. Number 3 is reptiles. Number 4 is birds. And number 5 is mammal.
Mammals.
Okay. Now you have to write the example in the chat box. Okay. No need to speak. Okay.
Okay.
Ready all of you?
Yes.
Ready all of you? Yes.
सर
Okay.
इसने स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट की तो आपकी स्क्रीन चली गई.
Okay. Just wait a minute. Okay. See. So now please tell me my screen is again visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So all of you have to write the answer in chat box. Ready, all of you?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Listen. Give one example of amphibians. Amphibian के example लिखो chat box में all of you. Please write the name. Please give the example of the amphibians. Please give the examples of amphibian. See, I'm waiting. Give example of amphibians. See, I'm writing the question in chat box. Examples of amphibians. Please give me the answer, all of you. Yes, very good. Yes, good. See, I shared the screen also. Let others see. Yes, toad, frog. Very good. Yes, good. Examples of the amphibians. Yes, anyone? More examples? Yes, newt. Very good. Very good. Yes, good. Very good. Okay, you have to participate in the class because this is also a class. Okay, if you don't know, okay, then open your science fair book. See, my voice is clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, good. So, dear student, listen. Okay, you have to participate in the class. You are in the class. Okay, so you have to give the answer. Yes, very good. Now, next, give examples of reptiles. Give examples of the reptiles. Dear student, please write the answer in chat box. Examples of reptiles. We already learned in the class. Very good. Lizard, snake, yes, crocodile. Very good. Any another examples? Yes, alligator. Very good. Lizard. Good. There are many examples. Snake, lizard, crocodiles. Very good. They are cold-blooded animal. Okay, we already learned this. Cold-blooded yani the animal whose body temperature changes with change in the environment. उसका बॉडी टेम्परेचर एनवायरमेंट के हिसाब से चेंज होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं कोल्ड ब्लडेड वेरी गुड नाउ योर फेवरेट क्वेश्चन गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ द ब्लड्स that are flying that can fly sorry that can fly give example of the birds that can fly yes butterfly is a bird but butterfly is an insect beta we are talking about the birds but butterfly can also fly but butterfly is an insect an animal without backbone yes pigeon sparrow eagle crow very good very good yes good very good. Now next is give the example of the flightless animal. Flightless animal. Give the example of the flightless animal. Very good. Flightless yani the animal that cannot fly because they have a heavy body weight. They are not able to fly. Example is ostrich. Yes. Kiwi. Good. And penguin. Penguin is also a bird, but they are not able to fly. So there are in the bird there are two groups. Okay, first group is the bird can fly and bird cannot fly. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
All of you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next group is examples of mammals. Examples of mammals. Can you give the examples of the mammals? Examples of the mammals. I gave you one hint. Then mammals have a four legs. Okay, four limb. They have a four limb. Good. Yes, good. Cow, goat, bat, dolphin, whale. Very good. Lion. Yes, horse. Very good. Dog, elephant. Very good. Very, very good. Yes, cat. Yes, very good, dear students. Yes, very good. Okay, so this is all about the types of the animals. One is without backbone and one is with backbone. Yes, very good. Human being also is animal. Very good. Mammals. Good. So it is now clear, all of you. Any doubt regarding the types of animals?
No.
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 Any doubt regarding the types of
Yes.
animals?
No.
No doubt. Okay.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, are you able to see the screen?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Any doubt? Any query? Yes, dear students. Please ask your doubts if you have a doubts regarding types of animals. Okay, one is without backbone and one is with backbone. Okay, no doubt. So now next topic we revise is, what is the heading? Groups of animals according to the place they live. है ना? You see, the animals are living in our surrounding. Some animals that live on the land, some are in the water, some are in on the sky, है ना? Some are on the tree. Okay?
Yes.
So according to that, there are five groups. How many groups are there?
5 groups.
Yes, five groups. See, number one is already given. What is number one? Terrestrial animal. Okay.
Yes.
Number one is terrestrial animal. Yes, very good. Number two.
Aquatic animal.
Aquatic animal.
Yes, very good.
Aquatic animal.
Aquatic
number
animal.
number two
Aquatic
is
animal.
good. Number two is aquatic animal. Very good. Okay. Number three is
Arboreal animal. Arboreal
yeah,
animal.
very good.
Albanian
Arboreal
animal.
animal. Arboreal.
Arboreal animal.
Arboreal. Yes, very good. And number four is
Aerial animals.
aerial animal. Very good.
Aerial animal.
Aerial animal. And number five, last one is
Amphibian.
yes. Very
Amphibian.
very good.
Amphibians.
Amphibian. Very good.
सर एम्फीबियंस कैसे हुआ वो तो दूसरे टाइप में था
Beta, amphibians are the animals that live on both land also and water also. So we also included these amphibians in the animal that are live in particular place. Okay, it is habitat. वो हमने पढ़ा था, वो क्या था? हमने ये पढ़ा था कि वो बैकबोन वाले है ना, ठीक है? In that we learn about the animals that are having the backbone. Now what we are learning? We are learning here habitat of the animal. Animal कहाँ पे रहते हैं, ठीक है? उसके हिसाब से एम्फीबियन ग्रुप पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes. Yes, sir.
यस
Okay, number one is terrestrial animal. Okay, ready हो ना सब?
Yes.
So what are terrestrial animal? The animal that live on land, है ना?
Yes.
Animal जो जमीन पे रहते हैं. The animals that are live on land, they are called terrestrial animal. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. You very well know that their legs are adapted for walking on the land and for running on the land, है ना? उसके legs होते हैं, वो कैसे होते हैं? They are adapted for walking and running. Yes, it is clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, in that some animals are living in hot region, some are in cold region, है ना? जमीन पे भी ठंडी गर्मी है या नहीं है?
Yes.
Yes. Some are living on the mountain, है ना? Mountain पे भी रहते हैं ना? some are on the desert, in the desert. Okay, जमीन पे बहुत सारी जगह है या नहीं है कि नहीं?
Yes.
जमीन
Yes.
में बहुत सारी जगह है, मतलब see there are some animals that are live on cold region, some are in hot region, some are in desert and some are in mountain, है ना, on mountain, पहाड़ पे रहते हैं ना, याक जैसे एनिमल।
Yes.
मैंने लिखा है तो आपको याद है?
Yes.
Animal like yak. Yak is a name of an animal that are living on mountain. Then give the example of the animal that are living in desert. Desert में कौन से animal रहते हैं? Please tell me. Desert.
Camel.
Yes, camel.
Camel.
Camel is very well adapted in desert. Very good. Give the example of the animal that are living in cold region. Cold.
Polar bear.
Yes, very good. Polar bear. Okay, we already learned that. याद है ना सबको? ये हमने already लिख भी लिया है, पढ़ भी लिया है ना?
Yes.
सर
Yes.
मेरे
Yes.
8 और 10 लेसन के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर पूरा लेसन लर्न हो गया
Very
है।
good. Very good, beta. Very good. Yes, good. Good, beta. Good. Then next is aquatic. Then listen, one more important point. The animal that are living on land, they have a breathing organ like lungs, है ना? जो एनिमल जमीन पे रहते हैं उसके पास लंग्स होते हैं ब्रीदिंग के लिए, है ना? यस और नो?
Yes.
यस।
Yes. Yes.
The animal that are living on the land, they have a lungs to breathe. Okay, please note it. याद रखना सब, ठीक है?
Yes.
The animal that are living on land, they have a lungs to breathe. उसको श्वास लेने के लिए उसके पास lungs होते हैं, ठीक है? Good. Number 2 is aquatic animal. Aquatic animal, yes, the animal that are live in water.
Water.
हाँ,
से लेते हैं.
उसको aquatic animal बोलते हैं, ठीक है ना?
Yes.
The animal that are live in water, they are called aquatic animal. And you very well known that all animal are taking the breath, है ना? सब animal श्वास लेते हैं या नहीं?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the aquatic animals have a gills. उसके पास क्या है?
Yes.
Gills. जैसे terrestrial animal के पास
Gills.
lungs है ना?
Yes.
वैसे aquatic
Yes.
animal के पास क्या है? Gills होते हैं, ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. The aquatic animals have a gills to breathe. मैंने आपको पूरा बताया था, याद है किसी को?
Yes.
Yes.
मैंने फिश भी ड्रॉ की थी, सबको याद है?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
See,
Yes.
Yes. उसके
I
अंदर
draw the fish. Yes, see, the gills are present over here. See, these are the gills. Okay, are you able to see it?
Yes.
And these are the fins. These are the fins that helps them to swim inside the water.
Yes.
Yes, okay. There are fishes, then octopus, then turtles, crabs, all are aquatic animals. याद है ना सबको?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay, so first one is terrestrial animal, second one is aquatic animal. Now third one is arboreal. Arboreal यानी animal that are land animal that are live mostly on the trees, है ना?
Yes.
The animal that are live mostly on the trees, they are called arboreal animal. Okay, they have a sharp claws. Claws उसके जो पैर होते हैं उसमें जो उंगली होती है फिंगर उसमें क्लोज होते हैं ताकि वो अच्छी तरह पैर पे
close यानी
वेट अ मिनट। ओके बेटा, क्लोज यानी नेल्स ऐसे होते हैं। नेल्स, हमारे नेल्स कैसे एकदम स्मूथ है ना, उसके नेल्स होते हैं वो टेढ़े होते हैं ताकि वो अच्छी तरह ट्रीज पे वो लटक सके, रह सके, उसके पकड़ के जी सके। ठीक है, आपने बर्ड्स देखे हैं सब?
Yes. Yes.
yes उन लोग के पैर भी है ना, उन दोनों के नेल्स भी ऐसे ही होते हैं।
हाँ, ताकि वो अच्छी तरह पेड़ पे क्लाइंब हो सके, लटक सके, ठीक है।
वो तो फ्लाई करते हैं।
ओके, मतलब वो बैठ तो सकते हैं ना, आप बैठेंगे तो फिसल जाएंगे, है ना, वो नहीं फिसलेंगे।
यस
क्यों? कि उसके पास क्लोज है, ठीक है, उसकी मदद से वो अच्छी तरह बैठ सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्लाइंब भी कर सकते हैं। ओके, इट इज क्लियर।
यस
Example, monkeys, koala, then various birds are also there. Okay, but we are not considering the birds, but we are not taking the consideration of the birds because birds have a different group, है ना, birds के पास एक अलग group है ना, हमने divide किया है.
Yes.
Yes,
यस
yes, very good. So first is completed,
जरा तो
second one is
जल्दी
completed, third is now fourth one is aerial animal. Yes or no?
Yes.
यस
Yes,
Animal.
sir. Yes, sir.
Animal that can fly, animal that can fly and spend lot of their time in air, है ना, बहुत सारा टाइम जो है वो स्काई पे एयर में स्पेंड करते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एरियल एनिमल्स. ओके, इट इज क्लियर.
सर वो हमें दिखते हैं।
हाँ बेटा, बर्ड्स नहीं दिखते आपको? अब बहुत सारा बार देखो सिर्फ.
मतलब वो रात को दिखते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, आज रात को भी दिखते हैं, रात को बहुत सारे नहीं दिखते, लेकिन सुबह आप उठकर देखना, बहुत सारे बर्ड्स आपके सराउंडिंग में दिखाई देंगे. दैट आर स्पेंडिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन द एयर. वो एयर में, हवा में उड़ते हैं ना, इसलिए उसको एरियल एनिमल बोलते हैं, ठीक है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
यस
Yes, okay. The animal that are spending most of their times in air, so they are called aerial animals. They have a light weight. Okay, हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर में लिखा था ना, they have a light weight, यानी उसका वजन कैसा होता है? हल्का होता है ना.
Many birds have light weight that help them
हाँ,
to fly.
yes, they have a light weight. Okay, they have a they have a shape like aeroplane in the board, ताकि वो अच्छी तरह एयर को कट कर सके. हम उड़ सकते हैं हवा में?
No.
नहीं, because we do not have a proper shape of the body. Okay, that are not adapted for flying, and we do not have a wings. Wings are also there na.
Yes.
Wings, they are again easy to fly, but you very well know that, dear students, there are two type of the birds. One category is there are some birds they can fly, and the other group is they are not flying. Okay, so flightless bird, okay, and flightless bird. Is it clear?
Yes.
There are two types. There are two groups of the birds. Okay, one can fly and one cannot fly. Okay, it is clear.
Yes.
And one more important thing, we learn the topic migration. आपको याद है हमने टॉपिक पढ़ा था migration?
Yes.
In one word and two example, fill in the blanks. याद है सबको?
Yes.
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 Migration यानी there are many birds, there are many animals. They can fly towards warmer countries. Warmer country यानी those countries they have a high temperature. Okay, वो migrate करते हैं कोल्ड रीजन में से हॉट रीजन में, ठीक है.
Yes.
आप देखिए हमारी सीजन में आप देख सकते हो भावनगर में जो बोर तालाब है. ओके, इन भावनगर there is a board talab. Okay, in that there are many birds, they are coming from outside. Okay, they are coming from cold region to here hot region. वो बर्फ की जो कंट्रीज होती है उसमें से यहाँ पे आते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये फिनोमिना हो गया माइग्रेशन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर डियर स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
बहुत सारे बर्ड्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे बर्ड्स. ओके, दे आर मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, मतलब कोल्डर रीजन में से हॉट रीजन में मूवमेंट करते हैं एक साथ, ठीक है. उसको बोलेंगे हम माइग्रेशन, ठीक है.
Yes.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
एनी क्वेरी?
No.
And the last one is and the last one is amphibians.
Yes.
Last one is amphibians.
No. Yes.
Very well known that what are amphibians? The animals that are living
जो लैंड
land
में भी
as well
रहते
as in
हैं
water.
वाटर में
Also water.
हाँ, पानी में भी और जमीन पे भी दोनों जगह मिलते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? एम्फीबियंस. ओके
Amphibian.
ओके. दे हैव ए लेग्स. ओके, दे हैव ए स्ट्रॉन्गर फ्रंट लेग. उसके फ्रंट लेग होते हैं वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि क्रोकोडाइल ले लो. ओके.
Fish frog.
हाँ, स्मॉल भी होते हैं और एकदम मजबूत भी होते हैं, ठीक है. ओके, इट इज क्लियर.
Yeah.
दे हैव ए वेब फीट. आपने
Yes, sir.
नाम सुना है वेब फीट?
No. No, sir.
आपने सुना है वेब फीट? वेब फीट यानी बत्तख के पैर जैसे होते हैं, उसको हम वेब फीट बोलते हैं, ठीक है.
Yes.
ताकि वो आसानी से पानी में तैर सके, ठीक है. ओके, इट इज क्लियर. जाली जैसे पग. इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yeah.
So please tell me how many group of animal are there according to their live. Number one is number one is yes, good. Number two, number two,
Aquatic animal.
number three, number three,
Aquatic animal.
number four,
Aerial animal.
good. Number five,
Amphibians.
yes,
Amphibians.
very good. So today we revise two topic. Okay, number first topic is types of animal, and second topic is animal habitats. Okay, where they are living. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now just wait for a minute. I want to take your attendance. Okay, so be quiet. Please mute your mic and sit silently. Okay, I am stop sharing my screen first. Okay. If you any query,
Sir.
yes, beta.
सर आपने जो प्रोजेक्ट के जो वो टॉपिक दिए थे ना, वो फिर से बोलो ना, मेरा वो पेज घूम गया.
Page. Okay.
Yes.
Beta, I am writing in chat box. Okay, you can write from that. Okay, I am writing in chat box.
ओके सर. ओके सर, हमें प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है.
प्रोजेक्ट कंपलसरी नहीं है, ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने होमवर्क में दिया था वर्कबुक की तरह कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, ठीक है.
सर पर अभी तो
ओके सर,
ऑनलाइन
मैं
हो गया ना, तो प्रोजेक्ट कैसे
घर पे
प्रोजेक्ट
बनाना है, घर पे बनाना है, ठीक है, यहाँ थोड़ी बनाना है बेटा, घर पे, ठीक है.
सर बाद में आपको फोटो बन के भेज रहा है.
नो बेटा, जब स्कूल रीओपन हो तभी आपके साथ उसको स्कूल में सबमिट करना है. ओके
ओके सर.
ओके, I will share you the project topic in chat box and in the group. Okay.
सर हो जाए फिर करना है सबमिट.
Okay, now listen dear, just wait a minute because I want to take your attendance. So first yes, just wait a minute. Okay, I'm speaking roll number and name. Okay, you have to give the answer. Okay, you have to say present sir. Okay, ready all of you?
ओके.
Ready? आगा सारा फातिमा,
प्रेजेंट सर.
भागवानी आयशिया, बम्बेरा नाहिया, बम्बेरा सानिया फातिमा, होजानी जैनब,
प्रेजेंट सर.
बुखारी आलिया, चौहान अनम, दाऊदानी अफनान,
प्रेजेंट सर.
अलारी आलिया,
प्रेजेंट सर.
अलारी इकरामा, हरियानी अफसीन फातिमा, हरियानी सकीना, जमानी इंसिया फातिमा,
प्रेजेंट सर.
जमानी जैनब, कच्ची फातिमा, कच्ची खदीजा, कदवानी शबनम,
Present, sir.
कदवानी आफरीन,
Present, sir.
कलानिया अल्फिया। See, if you are not saying present sir, then I will put it absent, okay? Kapasi Liana Fatima, Kapasi Sukun Zahra,
Present, sir.
Kataria Rumeha, Lakhani Fatima,
Present, sir.
Londia Suhana, Masani Sakina,
Present, sir.
Merchant Sakina, Merchant Sakina Sultan Ali, Merchant Sakina Komel Abbas, Muki Fiza, Nakwi Insia Zahra, Nakwi Kum Fatima,
Present, sir.
Nakwi Misbah Fatima,
Present, sir.
Nakwi Shifa Fatima,
Present, sir.
Panjwani Fatima,
Present, sir.
Panjwani Fatima Hussein Ali.
Present, sir.
Okay, Panjwani Fatima Dadisha, Pathan Muskan, Payak Bushra, Payak Humera, Rupani Afrin Zahra, Rupani Mariam, Sayyid Mensa Fatima,
Present, sir.
yes, Salat Aisha, Salat Zara Banu, Salot Khansa, Surti Aisha, Wakil Nusrat, Wasaya Sakina, Rajani Kanis Fatima, Wadia Mahek Fatima, Nurani Rabab. Yes, who is Daudani Afnan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, you can now leave the session. Alariyan, you can leave the session now. Fatima, Lakhani, Panjwani, Jamani, Bojani. Yes, you can now leave the session. Our session is completed now.
Yes. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, so all of you, you can now leave the
Bye, sir. Have a
session.
nice
Yes,
day.
have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir. Have a nice
Bye, sir. Have a
Enjoy
nice
the
day.
day. Bye. Yes,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Good
Have a
afternoon, all of
nice
you.
day.
Bye. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Masaya Sakina.